Hey, we're gonna get started on a vertical smoker. It's gonna have a little something different on it. The firebox is gonna open on the front to where it would have a grill or a griddle or whatever. And I've already got the chamber put together, so I'm gonna start with the firebox. I got a few other things cut out, but the chamber is put together already. So we're gonna start with the firebox and go from there and get this thing knocked out. All right, y'all, I've been jumping around quite a bit on it, but I've got it on the stand right now. I also went ahead and put the slides in there and got them in the firebox too. I hadn't started the door on this, but what I'm gonna do right now is go ahead and start doing the table, because he wants the table to come out right here and wrap around the back right there with the burner sitting in the back side. So we're gonna get to framing that up right now and try to get it put on. go ahead and get this thing done. I had a couple other things to get done in between it, some exhaust and a couple small things, and it was just taking too long to get it done. So I went ahead and finished it. But this is what we got going right here. There's a firebox on it. This is actually quite a big smoker. You can put a lot of food in this thing. I don't have the ash pan in it yet because I still got to finish putting it together. It's got the coal basket in there. This side would typically have a grate in it, a cooking rack, but he wanted a solid steel griddle in it, so that's what it has. But it would typically have a grate right there. The table wraps around the back and has the burner mounted in it back there. I didn't do the circle vent this time. I did a slide vent. And the only reason I did that is because I didn't have one already done that would fit that door. So I just went ahead with a slide vent right there. Five racks on the inside. You can get a lot of food in here. It's best to have a water pan, in my opinion. Cooking on this, it's best to have a water pan on this one, on this rack. I do sell a water pan separate that'll fit right there on top of that rack, and that way the heat comes around it and through the water right there. But I mean, you don't have to have one that big on there. You can actually have a water pan over here and it would help some, but it also acts as a heat diverter when it's on that. And they all slide in and out. So anyway, that's it on this one. I'm starting more now. Starting some offsets, or a offset. And this bench over here, it's upside down right now. But it's gonna have a wood top on it. I gotta flip it over and paint the other side and then put a wood top on it. But I know I have a video coming on a air compressor, a grill made out of an air compressor. And I got the tank back here. That's the tank right there. I already took the motor off the top. But I got to do a grill out of it. So it's going to be coming here in the next week or so. And then more stuff. I was going to do one on this bench and just got so behind. But anyway, man, if y'all new to the channel, please like and subscribe. If you're looking for a grill, shoot me an email. I'm going to put it in the description box. Just let me know what you're looking for, man, and I'll try to get it knocked out for you. And like I say, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.